For the next example, I have 2/3 minus a seventh. Now, here the greatest common factor is 21. I got that by multiplying 3 times 7, and there's really no smaller number that can be divided by both 3 and 7. So I will rewrite both of those fractions as out of 21. In order to get the first one, I have to multiply top and bottom by 7, which is going to give me 14 out of 21. For the second fraction, I multiply top and bottom by 3, which gives me 3 out of 21. So now I just subtract the numerators, and my final answer is 11 out of 21. Let's look at a visual again. So here again I have 2/3 minus 1/7, and I have to break that up into 21 parts. So I'm going to highlight 14 of those 21 parts, which represents the 2/3, and I will be taking off 3 of those 21 parts, which represents 1/7. Now if I subtract them, I'm left with 11 of the 21 parts.